Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silla. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like and also share this video. You guys, it turns out that upcoming musician Queen Loli was not lying when she told Musa that she had been sleeping with Mseleku, referring to Mayeni and Musa Mseleku's son Mpumelelo, you guys. At first, she played an audio of her and Mpumelelo having a TLOF TLOF, you guys. Well, she gave Musa video footages of her and Mpumelelo having a TLOF TLOF, you guys. And those videos are cringe worthy to watch, especially seeing someone as young as Mpumelelo with clearly an older person doing the deed, you guys. Poor Mayeni and Musa Mayeni. Anyways, you guys, please check out this video.
Indoda ayivukile ikamera.
Indoda ayibuka ikamera. Right.
Did you enjoy?
You were too much, baby. Yes.
Shut up. Okay. Bye. Lento le lenza kube ngathi Ben 10.
Yini lokho? Snapchat. Ngidlala Snapchat mina.
Awudlali.